Meru County is nestled in the heart of Kenya by the slopes of Mount Kenya. With her untamed beauty and natural treasures, Meru's tourism circuit is on the rise. Our agri-economy ensures job security while providing food security for our nation and enough for the export market. With our wheat, tea, coffee, and our signature cash crop, Meru, creating wealth for our farmers. We are focused on developing our human resource and providing them with the knowledge to compete in the 21st century. This ensures that our infrastructure is built to the highest standards. Come trade with us or simply spend a weekend away in one of our luxurious hotels. Meru is truly a county on the move.